Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to share some ideas with you on Amazon. Now, Amazon today had an amazing day, up 3%, and John really called an excellent trade on this last week. He had a butterfly that he had positioned up here around 1700, and obviously the big snap back today was very helpful for that. Well, I had a few other positions going on with Amazon, so I didn't allow myself to buy that particular trade. Okay, I find myself in a situation similar to a lot of other people and saying, all right, I kind of missed this move, but is there still, can I still play it up into 1700? Playing it into 1700 from here with some cushion, I think is fine, right? It's a lot easier to manage after a big move like you saw today, but generally I'm not going to come in and try to buy the $1,700 butterfly again. We closed today at, let's just call it 1670, and if we come over and look at the expected move in Amazon, and not that the expected move is always going to be perfectly accurate, of course, but you're expecting about a $35 move into the end of the week, and I feel like it's just enough of an expected move to leave you just shy of 1700. You try to put the butterfly up there, and it seems like it's just enough to kind of get up there close to it, and then fails and rolls over. That's just been the way I've experienced in the past. Maybe it does pin, but I like to share a strategy that tries to take advantage of both of those situations. So instead of looking at the standard butterfly, you look at an unbalanced butterfly, and putting this on after it's caught this bid is a lot better than trying to do it on Friday, when it's down there at the lows. So I would look at this strategy about $5 wide, and as long as you can execute it for a credit, that's the big thing about this type of a strategy, is that if you get filled as a credit and Amazon rolls over or it falls shy of 1700, well then you're still going to make money, as opposed to a debit strategy that really has to see Amazon come through and get above that long call strike. In this case, we make money everywhere $1,700 and lower. You do have to acknowledge that you'll have a little bit more risk if it rips up above 1700, but I'm thinking that, the chart is kind of range bound in here. Eventually it will break out, but that's a lot of sideways trade, and if you think that it may stay below 1700 as you get into this Friday, I think putting that unbalanced butterfly on for any type of a credit is a perfectly viable strategy, and I think that's a lot easier than trying to chase it, or it's at least higher probability than trying to chase it into 1700 in the next couple of sessions. So I hope that's helpful, gives you some food for thought around expiration, and we'll see you at the next free video.